Taylor with Agri drones. You guys remember the tariff scare that was all over the news about a month and a half ago, saying that there might be 100% tariffs on anything imported from China hitting November 1st. Well, this scared us quite a bit, scared everybody in this industry quite a bit and across many different industries. So we decided to be a little bit proactive in making sure that we weren't affected and you weren't affected for supply if that were to happen. As you can see, we've been very, very busy bringing in lots and lots and lots of J150s. So many, in fact, we've actually had to get a second warehouse here in Boonville, Missouri, just to store all this inventory temporarily. Now, this is probably gonna be temporary storage because they're moving out pretty quick. You can probably hear behind me, we've got forklifts running around right now, moving, sorting, and getting things ready to ship out. And we're not just bringing in more J150s, we're actually bringing in a ton of parts because we know that whenever application season hits, there is a vacuum on parts supply. A lot of people are stocking up, of course, preemptively, those who've been in the industry for a while, but many people don't, and unexpected things happen. Over here, we have a ton of parts for all of these drones we just got in. We've got enough parts to at least get us quite a way through the application season for next year. And right here, we're in November. We're really trying to make sure that no one is limited on drone supply, no one is limited on part supply, and that we have what applicators need when they need it. EAV is helping us do this. They're actually storing parts in this warehouse preemptively before they come into our inventory and into our warehouse. This is just part of what the parts inventory looks like. As you can see, been walking by J150s for quite a while during this video. We've got a lot of drones. There is no pre-order. They are ready to go out the door. A drone that has been proven over the 2025 spray season, the only large drone to actually applicate during spray season. Here's where all of our parts start. This is kind of the sorting and the bulk parts inventory. Everything from arms to props, prop pads. We've got ESCs right here, motors over there. Everything on the EA Vision and DJI side all starts right here. We bring everything in, we count the inventory as it comes in, and we store the bulk parts right here. These aren't stored for shipping. These are stored in excess of what we have ready to go out the door. So from here, everything will be sent over to our other facility where everything's sorted for quick and easy and fast shipping, meaning that everything you see here, all of this stuff been walking through and over here and over there, this is all excess parts inventory. We have more to the shop. So here's where our parts end up at our bin locations for our shipping department. All of this right here, there's some of our T40 parts. We have arm parts, we have spray parts, we have lights. Over here, we've got more T40, T50 parts, and then our EA Vision parts start right behind us. So each of these bins is separately located, separately identified, and separately inventoried, all in our system, meaning our shipping team knows exactly where to go and can pick multiple orders all at the same time. On the left-hand side here, we've actually moved and are currently in the process of moving our repair department with a lot more tables located right across from all of our parts, meaning that our repair and parts department for shipping and repair both get what they need as quick as possible and by keeping track of everything all within the same single system. We're doing some reorganization here as well. This is where all the parts come to get shipped out. This is our shipping department. So we have multiple stations set up. An order comes in, they take the cart, they go out, they pick the order, they bring it back here, and they go on to the next order. Everything's set up for speed, efficiency, and accuracy. And every time this time of year, every year this time of year, throughout October, November, December, we learn what needs improved from the previous season. The biggest workload always comes in June, July, and August. So now we know where the weak points were last season, and we're making improvements on those weak points right now. And I'm pretty excited for what we're gonna bring to the table for the team, for the systems, the processes, and all of the inventory on parts and drones for this coming season. All right, if you guys want to see a demo of a drone, or thinking about getting into this yourself, if you need parts or drones, obviously you've seen, we've got it. Let us know. Thanks, see ya.